In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a channel name on Slack step by step. This is a super useful feature if your channel topic has changed, your team's structure has evolved, or you simply want a clearer, more organized workspace. Renaming channels helps everyone understand what each channel is for, and it keeps your Slack workspace clean and professional. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tutorials and productivity tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace where the channel exists. From the left sidebar, navigate to the channel you want to rename. This can be any public or private channel, as long as you have permission to edit it. Once you're inside the channel, take a look at the very top of the screen. Next, click directly on the channel name at the top of the page. This opens the Channel Details panel, where you can see information like the channel description, members, and settings. This is where Slack lets you manage and customize the channel. Now, within the Channel Details panel, look for the Edit option. Click on Edit to enable changes for the channel settings. When you do this, Slack will allow you to modify the channel name. After that, type in the new channel name you want to use. Make sure the name follows Slack's naming rules. Channel names must be lowercase, cannot include spaces or special characters, and should clearly describe the purpose of the channel. For example, you can use dashes to separate words and keep the name easy to read for your team. Once you're happy with the new channel name, click on Save Changes. Slack will instantly update the channel name, and everyone in the workspace will see the new name right away. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed a channel name on Slack. Keep in mind that renaming a channel does not remove messages or members, so all previous conversations stay exactly where they are. This makes it safe to update channel names without losing any important information. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Slack how-to videos and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.